Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to see about today one of the most famous university, right, for healthcare management and for the health related courses. So today we are going to talk about one of the most important universities related to health, that is the IIHMR University, Jaipur. Generally, its full form is Indian Institute of Health Management and Research. So let's talk about this college. So we will let's check its site. If you can see, the admissions are open for 26-28 batch, right? The courses they have been providing are MBA Hospital and Health Management, MBA Pharmaceutical Management, MBA Healthcare Analytics, MBA Development Management, Master of Public Health specialization is available in Implementation Science, and Master of Public Health offered by John Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health USA in cooperation with IIHMR University Jaipur, India. Also, it is providing the PhD courses. So, one of the most famous two courses of this college is the Hospital and Health Management and the Pharmaceutical Management. These are generally new courses, but these courses are also doing very good in their fields, like Healthcare Analytics and Development Management. So the most renowned course of this college is Hospital and Health Management, which has been there for nearly about 40, right, 30 years. Since 30 years, this course has been going on, right? And the batch 30 is going on currently. In Pharmaceutical Management, the 17th batch is going on, right? So these are two nearly quite old courses of this. Today we are going to check about the MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, as this course is getting the hype, as because we pharmacy students are getting more aligned towards this course and they really wants to make their career in the pharmaceutical management. I hope all are doing well and all have to do well in this management field. So let's see some new courses, right? And this new course is MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, right? Expect of Instead of general management, you can purely go into such niche specialization so that you will be preferred in this domain. And pharma domain is literally very, very big and very, very huge sector. So yes, you don't have to worry about this is a niche sector and we will get a job or not, right? Pharmaceutical is really very, very big. So right, let's talk about this college, that is the IIHMR University. In IIHMR University, there is a School of Pharmaceutical Management, and under that, this course has been provided as MBA in Pharmaceutical Management. This university is generally providing only the courses that we have previously seen. It is not having any other course, so they are very much completely focused on all of these courses, and mainly the the courses which they have been going on from very past years are generally the hospital and health and pharmaceutical management, and obviously healthcare analytics and development management as well. They are also doing very good. So today we are going to talk about MBA in pharmaceutical management. We are going to see about the program structure, eligibility criteria, fee structure, and scholarship policy and whatnot. Right. So let's read about this. What has been given. So generally, this college is right after. If you can see, there is NIPERS are there, NMIMS is there, and this college is also there, which is giving a beautiful course of this pharmaceutical management, and this course is actually flourishing all over. Let's talk about the program structure, how the program structure will be. So there is a first year, and there will be 3 terms in the first year, right? And these will be the subjects that you are going to be learn in this year. In term 2, we are going to learn about these subjects, and in term 3, you are going to learn about these subjects. So, right, human values, principles of management, pharma business environment, essentials of pharmacoepidemiology, IPR, pharmacology, statistics, here economics, human resource, organization behavior, pharma marketing and management, digital marketing and social media marketing, research methods, regulatory environment for pharma business, financial management, marketing analytics, business development for pharmaceutical industry, digital health, and whatnot. So the second year, there are term 4, term 5, and term 6. What is being given here is product and brand management, clinical research and development, management information system, entrepreneurship, promotion of medical devices in hospitals, and just you can read it, right? Different things are being given here, right? Digital health is there, strategic management is there, supply chain is there, pharma sales and distribution is there, cost and managerial accounting in pharma is there, pharmaceutical international business also there, sustainability and circular economy, drug and public health policy, project management, business data analytics, consumer behavior in pharma, market access of pharmaceutical products, and quality management. So beautifully, the course has been designed with the summer training, right? The This college is actually providing summer training for two times, right? After first year and one after second year. After first year, the summer training is of 2 months, and after second year, the summer training or dissertation is of 3 months, right? So this is all there, right? Summer training and dissertation and internship. If I talk about the eligibility criteria, the graduate from any discipline with 50% or above aggregate marks or equivalent CGPA, right? In graduation, you must have 50% marks, and for other categories like OBC, SC, ST, WS, PWD, 45% is the minimum criteria, and you can take admission into this college. Then candidates in final year of bachelor's degree may also apply if you would furnish evidence of meeting the minimum eligibility criteria by September 25. So, right, bachelor's degree, the students who are present in the final year of their bachelor's degree can also apply to this college. Selection procedure is based on these all exams, right? If you must be given the CAT, ZAT, PAT, MAT, CMAT, ATMA, GPAT, CUET-PG, and IHMR UMAT. GPAT is only considered when you are going to take admission for MBA in pharmaceutical management. For hospital and health, if you just exclude the GPAT, all other examinations you can take the admission through, right? IHMR UMAT is their own examination through which, suppose if you haven't given any of these examinations, you can give the IHMR UMAT, which is very much similar to the management exams, to all these management exams. It is very similar to the management exams, and then it is been followed by the group discussion and the personal interview, and then your selection will be there. So these marks will be holding 35 marks for your selection criteria. Then qualification graduation marks will be 30. Then group discussion 15 marks, personal interview 20 marks. So overall 100 marks are there, and this is how your selection is going to be done in this college, right? So this was all about. You can take the education loan if you want, right? uh, so for the application, you have to apply before you get the admission. You have to apply to this college. So if you apply before 28th February, that is the first mover, the application fees is just 1000 rupees. If you apply between 28th February and 31st May, your application fee will be 1500, and if you apply in the last, that is up to 31st of July, it will be 2000 rupees. So this is all about, right? And the IHMR fee for, right, registration fee for IHMR UMAT examinations 500 only. Means if you haven't given any national level MBA exam, then you can give the IHMR UMAT exam, and for that 500 rupees fee is there, which is separate, right? 1000 rupees plus 500 rupees, 1500 rupees, 1500 plus 500, 2000, 2000 plus 500, 2500, in this way. So this is all about. This is their website for admissions, right? The mail has been given, mobile numbers have been provided, right? You can call them and you can just check it out. So the next thing, right, we will check about the eligibility criteria. We have seen, let's check about the fee structure. So if I talk about the fee structure, this is generally for the 25-27 batch, right? Fee installment plan for 25-27 batch. Maybe next year they may increase the fee a little bit, maybe by 1 lakh or maybe by 50,000, or maybe the fee may remain same, right? That's all on the college, what they have to do. So the total fees is actually 11 lakh rupees for the entire course of pharmaceutical management. So for the entire 2-year program, you have to pay the 11 lakh rupees. And in this, hostel fee and mess fees is not included, right? See, here is given, in addition to the above mentioned fee, university will be charging the hostel fee to those students who opt for hostel facility. Hostel fee is required to pay in advance. Payment made after the dates mentioned above attract late fees at the rate 50 rupees per day in case of second, third, fourth, and fifth installment. So, right, तो hostel fee अलग है, hostel fee is different. You have to pay it in advance, right? And 50 rupees per day if you are getting delayed, if you are not able to pay the fees in this time. So, right, everyday minimal charge of 50 rupees will be taken from you. So the first installment is 2,20,000. In like this, there are total 5 installments, leads to 11 lakh rupees fee. And for the students who are abroad who wants to study in IHMR, their fees is 2,600 US dollars. It's to the total fees of around 13,000 US dollars, right? That is the fee of MBA in pharmaceutical management. So overall, if we talk about this college is a good one, right? Totally a good college, right? Overall. So scholarship policy, if we see about, the scholarship is also being provided. So for general category students, 75% or above aggregate marks in bachelor's degree, then you will get some scholarship, and 55 percentile or above in these examinations, then also you can get some amount of scholarship, that is nearly 60,000 rupees, which will be deducted from your fees. Right, the fee is 11 lakh, so you will get the scholarship of 60,000. So your entire course fee will be 10 lakh 40,000. Right, for SC, ST, OBC candidates, the criteria is little less, 60% in bachelor's degree and 50 percentile in this examinations. So it has been written here, the merit scholarship will be awarded to students belonging to these categories based on meeting any one of the following eligibility criteria, and will be given on the terms of first come first serve basis, right? So on the first come first serve basis, you will be getting the amount of scholarship is 60,000. Each student will get this. So under free ship is also been provided. Full tuition fee reimbursement will be offered to students belonging to SC, ST, OBC, and EWS on need come merit basis. So the total number of free ships available, 4, 1 seat each for SC, ST, OBC, NCL, and EWS, right? Eligibility criteria: students belonging to SC, ST, OBC, EWS category are eligible for award of full fee scholarship for all MBA programs. Full fee scholarship will be offered to students based on the combined merit including all rounds of GD and PI prepared after completion of all rounds of GD and PI. So amount of free ship is 7,43,000 for each student. So this was all thing, right? So if you are belonging to any of this pass, any of this category, so which comes under minority, or sorry, I don't know which are the right the other categories. So you can each student, right? Suppose there are total 50 OBC NCL students in the college. Then from that, the student who will be having highest marks in the GDPI in the examination, any of the examination, then he or she will get a scholarship of 7,43,000, and same for other categories as well. So there are some terms and conditions, right? So all these things are in there. So merit scholarships or free ships are not guaranteed to all candidates fulfilling the above criteria. So it's most important. First of all, the scholarship is being given to, I think, only 40 students, and the free ships is given only to 4 students. So it is not compulsory mandatory that if you are fulfilling the criteria, you will get a scholarship. But there are some other criteria for scholarship is based on first come first serve basis, and in free ship it is totally dependent on your merit. So limited number of merit scholarships for each program as mentioned above will be awarded based on the above eligibility criteria and on the first come first serve basis at the sole discretion of the admission committee of the university, right? So it's been given. Some other terms and conditions are also been given. You can just check this out. In case of non-availability of eligibility students belonging to SC/ST category, the remaining number of free ships under this category will be offered to eligible students belonging to OBC, NCL, or EWS, and vice versa. Right? So, if the SC/ST students category students are not there, then the remaining number of free ships, right? Suppose 2 free ships will be remained. So that will be given to the other eligible candidates who are belonging to OBC, NCL, or EWS. So this was all about the thing, and so let's check about some placements. If we talk about, so the college placements are also quite good, right? You can see the reviews of the students who are in there. So the placements are quite good, right? And definitely, obviously, in MBA you have to put the majority of the efforts to get a good company and to get a good placement. But yes, this college actually puts a lot of efforts for their students and bring the campus placements, and right, give their students a healthy competitive stage so that they can compete for their placement scenarios, right? And overall, if you talk about in the terms of pharmaceutical management, the amount of placements the college has been giving is quite good, right? Right, may not be 100% placement, right? Generally, all colleges say that they are giving 100% placement, but may or may not. It might have, but like other colleges, this college also claims there is 100% placement. So maybe it might be there, or it might be like some students are getting, some students, right, may remain, right? 140 students batch strength is there, so maybe 10-20 students may remain, but almost I think all students are generally getting placed. Maybe they are not getting campus placements, but the remaining 10-20 students, but they might get after their second year dissertation program. So generally all are been getting placed in this college. So overall, the if you talk about the placements, also this college is quite good. Let's talk about the recruiters. So if you talk about the recruiters who have been coming to this campus is Abbott, Accenture, AFF, Bain and Company, BCG, right? BLK Max, Burjil, Care, Cipla. I think BCG and Bain might not be coming now. This college is quite a old college, and generally they write all the recruiters. So according to me, Bain and BCG might not be coming now because Bain and BCG now generally focus more on the experienced groups. But yes, Accenture is coming, Bot is coming, Supply is coming, right? Deloitte is coming, EY is coming, Fortis is coming, GSK is coming, Glenmark is coming, HCL Foundation is coming, Health Arc is coming, right? All these hospitals, IQVIA is the major recruiter of this college. So this is coming, KPMG is coming, Mankind is coming, Lupin is coming, Microlabs is coming, Electronic is coming, Narayana Health is coming, Novartis is coming, Pharma is coming, PwC is coming, all these Tata AG is coming. So all these big associates, right? WNSZS, all these are coming. So all these, right? It's all about the recruiters, and yes. So overall, this college is quite good for the MBA in pharmaceutical management, and definitely you can look out for this college and can do a thorough research one more time by talking to the students of the college, right? And then you can come to this college, right? Take the opinions of at least 10 students if you are coming to this college, right? Different opinions might be there. So of any institute, if you're going to any institute, take opinion of at least 10 students of that college, and then generally choose if you want to come there or not, because it's important to do that. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.